My first cooking disaster. Dear diary, today was a day I will never forget. I finally decided to cook by myself. I felt excited and confident. Cooking looked easy in online videos. I believe I could do it too. The kitchen was clean and quiet. I washed my hands carefully. I took out a frying pan. I collected all the ingredients. I wanted to make fried rice. It sounded like a simple dish. I chopped the vegetables slowly. The pieces were not the same size. Some were too big, some were too small. Still, I kept going. I smiled at my own effort. I turned on the stove. The flame was stronger than I expected. I poured some oil into the pan. The oil became hot very quickly. I became a little nervous. I added chopped onions. The onions started to sizzle loudly. The sound surprised me. A few drops of oil jumped out. I stepped back for a moment. Then I laughed at myself. I stirred the onions gently. Soon, I added carrots. Then I added beans. The vegetables looked colorful. Everything seemed to be going well. I felt more confident. Next, I added cooked rice. The pan became too full. It was difficult to mix everything. I tried my best. Then I reached for the salt. Without thinking, I added too much. I realized my mistake immediately. My heart started beating faster. I hoped it would still taste good. To fix the problem, I added more rice. Then I added more vegetables. The food looked better, but I was not sure about the taste. I sprinkled some pepper. I added a little soy sauce. The smell became wonderful. I felt hopeful again. Then another problem appeared. The rice started sticking to the pan. I forgot to lower the heat. A burning smell filled the kitchen. Thin smoke began to rise. I quickly turned off the stove. I opened the windows. Fresh air came inside. I felt embarrassed. The kitchen looked messy. The pan looked terrible. Cleaning it was not easy. I spent a long time scrubbing it. Finally, everything became clean again. Now it was time to taste the food. I took a small bite. It was much too salty. I drank a glass of water immediately. I could not stop laughing. My first cooking attempt was a disaster. Even so, I learned many lessons. Cooking needs patience. Cooking needs practice. Mistakes help us improve. Nobody becomes a great cook in one day. Every expert was once a beginner. Giving up was not an option. Next time, I will measure the salt carefully. I will keep the heat under control. I will prepare everything before I start. I will stay calm. I will enjoy the process. One bad meal cannot stop me. Every failure teaches something valuable. Today's disaster became tomorrow's experience. I am proud that I tried. One day, I will cook a delicious meal. Until then, I will keep learning. That is all for today. See you tomorrow, dear diary.